Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About s, I will put into the denominator. Next, I will put number 3 in here and here. Next, we have the formula in here. So this one you got about number 1. So when s approaches to number 0, sine of 3x over 3x, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.